Transfer my case to Southeast, Nnamdi Kanu to Chief Judge, and now to the news info. The leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB Nnamdi Kanu, on Wednesday insisted that Justice Binta Nyako of the Abuja Federal High Court will not handle his case. He's standing his ground though that he will not allow the woman, so they are going to have to agree to his opinion. Kanu ordered his lawyer to ensure that Justice Nyako stays off his case following her recusal. On September 24, 2024, Kanu had asked Justice Nyako to hands off his trial on ground of lack of confidence. Following the call, the trial judge stepped down for Kanu's case and transferred his case file to the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court, John Soho. However, during his routine meeting with his legal team led by lead counsel Aloy Ejimako at the Department of State Services DSS facility in Abuja, Kanu said Justice Nyako would be disobeying her own order by restarting the case. This was contained in a statement issued by Ejimako on Wednesday. According to the statement, Kanu's case should be transferred to the Southeast if no judge in Abuja is willing to take up his trial. Now wow, things is really happening in this country. Ejimako said the routine visitation to Oyendo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu continues unabated as the legal team just concluded a crucial visitation today. The central issue arising at today's visitation is the upcoming court date for the continuation of MNK's case. Due to its unconstitutional implications, Oyendo instructed the legal team to take certain prompt steps to ensure that his case is not handled by the same Justice Binta Nyako, who had withdrawn from the case of virtue of the order of recusal entered on 24 September 2024. You withdraw yourself from the case, now you want to come back. No, now. He cannot trust you now. The point was stressed that should the case still lie with Justice Nyako, it would mean that the same court is disobeying an order it made. We are therefore looking forward to going to court as long as another judge of the Federal High Court is assigned to the case. If no other judge in Abuja is willing to handle the case, the Chief Judge is free to transfer the case to Umuahia, Awka, Enugu, Asaba, Port Harcourt, or any other Federal High Court within the former Eastern Nigeria where the offences were alleged to have happened or allegedly had impact. It's true, why would they even take the matter out of the jurisdiction of where it happened? Something happened in the Southeast, you carry the matter to Abuja, and now you keep the man in custody since. I don't understand. Kennedy Okpara said, sorry for Nigeria, this case will not go take me 2 weeks to handle. It's taking Nigeria 400 years of my geography. Leave me, let me go na crime. I don't know, I don't know. Let him go. Is it a crime? What has he done? They've discharged and acquitted him. You people still kept him in custody. I don't understand. If people don't want to handle this case, let him go back to the Southeast and let them go and handle this case there. Abi? Because I don't understand. Chidozie Michael says, I am not a Nigeria, I am a Biafra man, but semi-Nigeria. I hope I have not committed an offense. Right to speak out. So which offense? Beg. Electrical Madame says, yes, people are dealing with a wise man. Exactly. If the judge said he doesn't want to partake in his case again, and then you are now coming back to say you want to continue, no, you cannot continue. Why did you say you don't want to do it again before? And now you now want to do it, and you expect him to trust you? He's not going to trust you. Because who knows if he's going to align with his enemies? Who knows? Boy Jema says, I'm tired of Nigeria because I don't know why this man is still in detention for doing nothing other than saying let my people go with their freedom. How long can you intimidate people clamoring for freedom to grow better? You cannot wait for everyone to develop at the same pace. Abi now. Let him go. Let him go. Free this man, I beg. Amigos Amboyin says, you are right, my brother. Oyendo, you are right. Your lamentation is in order. It have not been easy, but the Southeast, how far have they helped out? Where are they? Those ones too, they are not helping matters. Some of the presidents in the Southeast, they are not helping matters at all. Some of them are happy that Nnamdi Kanu is still in DSS custody. Some of them don't want this Biafra freedom. They do not want it. They like the benefit that they are getting from the government because they know that probably if they have the Biafra nation, they will not be corrupt as they used to be again. I don't know. But some of the governors, they don't want Nnamdi Kanu out of prison. Alex Ode says they turn everything upside down when it's an enemy case since Igbo man is never seen as a citizen perceived as the enemy of Nigeria. The enemy doesn't deserve justice. It is well. George says whenever an Igbo man is involved, the universally accepted doctrine of territorial jurisdiction ceases to exist. A man is said to have committed an offence in eastern Nigeria, but his case file is taken to eastern Jericho. I wonder, so as to obtain a predetermined outcome, yet they call it justice. This man is well within his rights. He knows the constitution, he knows the law, he knows his human rights is being violated. He knows you took a matter out of the jurisdiction of where it happened, and yet you kept him in custody even after they've discharged him and acquitted him. He didn't do anything. He's only fighting for the freedom of his people. So let him go, please. Munachimso Ike says, yes, Nnamdi Kanu is right. Federal government didn't say that offence was committed in Abuja, but in Southeast, Nyako should step aside. As she has stated, yes, so she should step aside with immediate effect. Odogo says, I think that is more better than detaining him without any case for him to answer. Abi, take him back to the Southeast that the matter happened, and let them judge him from there. Sam Honora says the trial judge appears not to be free to do her job dispassionately, obviously now. Do you know how many people are the enemies of Nnamdi Kanu that must have spoken to the judge to judge in their own favor? You claim you don't want to participate in the case again. Now you want to come back and participate. From where to where? From where to where? Sanusi Musa says, you are completely failed woefully. Musa, okay. So that your terrorist IPOB and ASN unknown government to break jail for you, Abi, form DSS custody to Kirikiri direct. Who are the gunmen? Who are the terrorists? Sanusi, it is your brothers, and including you, that are terrorists in this country. You are the terrorists, though, if you don't know. Chris Odogo says, haha, IPOB terrorist and drug addict, Ekperima Nnamdi Otele Nwankpe Akpa, Amu Kanu is a criminal. He will file court case tire until Ekpeme. This person is unable. UN doesn't know the Momo Nnamdi Ofeke Kanu. Donald Trump doesn't know the albino monkey Nnamdi Kanu. Israel doesn't know the cannibal Nnamdi Kanu. Russia doesn't know the common thief and empty poster from Afarauko Ekperima Nnamdi Otele Nwankpe Akpa Amu Kanu. He is a disgraced thief and terrorist forever and ever. He say, now wow. This person probably has a personal vendetta against him. It is well. Austin Chinemere says the Nigerian terrorist government can never prove their case against MNK, so they should let him go in peace. They cannot. They don't have any evidence against him. They're just keeping him there for nothing. For nothing. They know what they are doing. They cannot keep him there. They're just keeping him there. Let him go in peace. You don't have a case against him. He only fought for the agitation of his people. So why are you stressing him? Why are you keeping him there? If you cannot handle this case again, take it back to the South. That is where the issue happened. Really, Nigerians, some of this, we know our human rights, and he knows his human rights, and is demanding for it. So give it to him. My listeners, over to you. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.